Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and rugged off-road trucks on the market, the 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor. This high-performance pickup is designed to dominate any terrain with its aggressive design, powerful engine, and off-road capabilities. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just love the look of a beastly truck, the Raptor delivers in every category. Let's break it all down. Body panels. The 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor is built with high-strength, military-grade aluminum alloy, making it both lightweight and durable. The wide-body design gives it a muscular stance, while the reinforced steel frame ensures it can handle the toughest terrains. The flared fenders not only add to the truck's aggressive look but also provide space for the massive all-terrain tires, allowing for better stability and off-road performance. Skid plates underneath the body add extra protection when tackling rocky trails, ensuring the Raptor can withstand rough impacts. Headlights. The Raptor features bold C-shaped LED headlights, providing excellent illumination for night drives and off-road adventures. The adaptive LED technology automatically adjusts the brightness and angle based on driving conditions, ensuring maximum visibility. The headlights also come with signature amber marker lights, adding to the truck's aggressive appearance and making it easy to recognize, even in low visibility conditions. Taillights. At the rear, the LED taillights feature a modern, smoked design, complementing the rugged aesthetic of the truck. The dynamic turn signals enhance visibility, while the integrated rear light bar improves safety during night driving. Additionally, the taillights are strategically placed to work seamlessly with the truck's wide stance, making it easier for vehicles behind you to see when you're braking or turning. Grille. The front grille of the 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor is nothing short of iconic. The massive Ford lettering stretches across the grille, making an unmistakable statement. The mesh design allows for better airflow, helping to keep the powerful engine cool, even during intense off-road adventures. The integrated LED marker lights add an extra layer of aggression, giving the Raptor a menacing look whether it's on the highway or the trails. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Step inside, and you'll find high-performance sport seats designed for both comfort and durability. The Raptor-exclusive Recaro bucket seats provide superior support, especially during high-speed off-road driving. The seats are wrapped in premium leather and suede, with Raptor-stitched branding on the headrests. Heated and ventilated seat options ensure a comfortable ride, whether you're driving through the desert or in freezing temperatures. Dashboard. The dashboard of the 2023 Raptor is a perfect blend of rugged utility and modern technology. It features soft touch materials, carbon fiber accents, and aluminum trim, giving it a premium feel. The 12-inch fully digital instrument cluster displays real-time driving data, including off-road settings, tire pressure monitoring, and fuel efficiency stats. The dashboard also includes multiple storage compartments for added convenience. Infotainment system. The Sync 4 infotainment system comes with a 12-inch touchscreen, providing crisp graphics and an intuitive user interface. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and voice recognition. The Baja Unleashed 18-speaker sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, perfect for long road trips or blasting music on the trails. Additionally, over-the-air updates ensure the system stays up to date with the latest software enhancements. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel features a flat-bottom design, adding a sporty feel to the truck. It comes with integrated paddle shifters, allowing drivers to take full control of gear shifts, especially in off-road scenarios. The Raptor exclusive orange center stripe is a cool touch, helping drivers keep track of wheel position during intense maneuvers. Additionally, the steering wheel includes controls for cruise control, audio, and drive mode selection, making it easy to customize your driving experience on the go. Powertrain components. Engine. Under the hood, the 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 EcoBoost engine, producing 450 horsepower and 510 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth power delivery whether you're on the highway or tackling rough terrain. The high-output turbochargers provide instant throttle response, while the sports-tuned exhaust system delivers an aggressive growl that matches the Raptor's beastly persona. Hybrid option. While the standard Raptor doesn't come with a hybrid option, Ford offers the Raptor R, featuring a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, producing over 700 horsepower for those who want extreme power. While this isn't a hybrid, it offers an alternative for those who crave raw performance and unmatched acceleration. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. The 2023 Raptor comes with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, curtain, and driver knee airbags. This ensures maximum protection in the event of a collision. The advanced crash sensor system deploys airbags precisely based on impact force, reducing injury risks for both driver and passengers. Pricing. The 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor starts at around $76,775, offering exceptional off-road performance and high-end features. If you're looking for the ultimate powerhouse, the Raptor R starts at approximately $109,250, delivering extreme V8 performance and all the best features Ford has to offer.